The White Chocolate Mocha is a coffee shop favorite with rich espresso wrapped in the smooth sweetness of white chocolate. Today we're skipping the coffee line and saving our cash by making one at home with just four ingredients. We'll need a fourth of a cup of white chocolate chips, a 2-ounce shot of espresso, a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of oat milk. The first step is to grind those coffee beans and warm up the espresso machine so it's ready to run. Next, we're going to melt those white chocolate chips over low heat until they're nice and soft. The secret to a perfect white chocolate mocha is to get the white chocolate just right. So we'll use native vanilla paste and vegan organic white baking chips from Pascha and melt them on the stove over medium-low heat. You can use a microwave, but the stovetop is best to get a smooth mocha consistency. As soon as the white chocolate is soft and smooth, we'll add in our milk and heat it to around 180 degrees. You can use whichever milk you prefer. Today we're using Moolah organic unsweetened oat milk. Once the milk is hot, use a simple frother like this one from Dose and get the milk nice and foamy. Then we'll pour the warm, frothy white chocolate milk right into the mug and then add the vanilla. Finally, we'll run the espresso and slowly pour it into the mug and then use the frother to blend it all together. Now we're ready to enjoy our oat milk white chocolate mocha. And if we want to make it extra swanky, we can add sprinkles to the top.